Good morning. I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market update for Wednesday, July 13th. We're seeing a bit of a turnaround on Wall Street and in the global markets. Stocks across Asia got a boost from a report showing that the Chinese economy grew at a slightly better than expected rate of 9.5% in the second quarter. That strength helped the major European markets stabilize following 3 days of heavy losses, despite a downgrade of Ireland's sovereign debt to junk status by Moody's Investor Service. And here in the U.S., investors are watching Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke on Capitol Hill. He's answering questions from the House Financial Services Committee about the economy and monetary policy, and he may try to convince reluctant lawmakers to raise the debt ceiling. Tomorrow, Bernanke is set to testify before the Senate Banking Committee. Traders are also digesting a report on import and export prices. The cost of goods imported into the U.S. dropped 0.5% in June, mainly due to falling fuel prices. But economists had expected an even bigger decline. Import prices had jumped more than 1% in 7 straight months before tapering off in May. Meanwhile, the price of U.S. exports ticked up just slightly last month. So how is all this playing out in the currency and commodity markets? Well, the euro is rebounding from its recent weakness, retaking the 140 level against the U.S. dollar. And crude oil is dropping back below $97 a barrel after a jump of more than $2 yesterday. But gold continues to rally, rising to a new record high around $1,575 an ounce. Gold has been on a tear recently as investors search for safety in these uncertain markets. On the corporate front, keep an eye on shares of medical device maker Kinetic Concepts. It's being taken private for $6.3 billion by a consortium led by Apax Partners. Meanwhile, Electronic Arts is dropping more than 2% in early trading. It's buying privately held PopCap Games for up to $1.3 billion, making it EA's biggest acquisition ever. And Capital One Financial is modestly lower, despite a largely positive earnings report. The bank topped expectations with a 50% increase in second quarter profit. Capital One also announced plans to sell $2 billion of common stock to fund its $9 billion purchase of ING Group's U.S. online banking business. Yum Brands and Marriott International are also likely to get some attention from investors as they report their quarterly numbers. And General Mills is set to release its financial outlook for the next fiscal year. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.